Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh and Chairman of Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation, Chanbor Shulai, today laid the foundation for the state's third five-star hotel, Aurika Hotel, by Lemon Tree Hotels Limited at the Orchid Hotel premises in Polo, Shillong. The Aurika Hotel will be a luxury five-star establishment with 130 rooms, constructed at an estimated cost of Rs 124 crore under a PPP model. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister highlighted the significance of the project and emphasized its potential to boost tourism, drive economic growth, and create employment opportunities for the youth.
Who have been behind this to make this particular project a success, starting with our Tourism Minister, who is a person who has a complete understanding of tourism, a passion to achieve greater heights in tourism, to take our art and culture, our strengths like music and sports and other areas, to really promote the state, to create economic value and to create jobs and livelihood opportunities for our youngsters. It is the passion with which he works which makes the difference, and I would like to congratulate him on that aspect of being able to lay the foundation stone today of this five-star hotel. I also would like to thank our chairperson of MTDC, without whom this particular project would not have been possible. As you're aware that these properties are under the MTDC, and hence as chairman, the complete support is required, and realizing the importance of coming up with a five-star hotel out here, the potential that it will create for our tourism sector and for the youngsters, the youth, the employment opportunities that will come out. The chairperson has been very supportive of this project, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for all the support that he has given to making this project a possibility. Dr. Vijay Kumar and his entire team, including our Director Tourism, have been the key people who have driven this entire project. It looks very simple for us as politicians to come here and unveil the foundation stone, and for all of us as guests to watch the program and the unveiling of the stone. But what goes behind the scenes to make all of this a possibility happens because of the team that is behind this entire process, the team that runs and drives the tourism department. And many times we have seen an example of the work that they have done, the achievements that we have achieved. And today is another example of the hard work and the commitment of all our officials led by Dr. Vijay Kumar in making this particular project a possibility. I also would like to thank the chairperson, Mr. Pattu Kermani, as well as our COO, Mr. Prashant, and all the other officials of Lemon Tree Hotels for having taken the initiative to participate and make this particular day possible for all of us. As Dr. Vijay was mentioning earlier in his speech, that this is a PPP project, which means that we will be providing the land and the space, but an investment to make this 120 room hotel and complete infrastructure will be invested by the Lemon Tree Hotels Limited. An investment of 124 crores will be made by them to make this project a possibility. We will be having 130 rooms in this particular hotel. This is a luxury five-star hotel, top of the line, and with facilities like banquet halls and other amenities, so that we can attract not just the clientele from all over the country and the world, but we'll be able to promote large MICE tourism. So this is for meetings and conventions, and Shillong is already becoming a place where large organizations, large government departments are having their big meetings and conferences in Shillong. Important project for us, and I'm very happy and thankful to the Lemon Trees Hotel Limited for having taken this initiative and partnering with the MTDC and the state government to make this a possibility. I was speaking to Mr. Prashant just a few minutes back, and I asked him, how long will you take to make this hotel? And he was telling me anything between 2.5 years to 3 years. I told him that we should try to make it in 2.5 years. And I'm very hopeful and optimistic that we should be able to complete this in the next 2.5 years. And I asked him that when will you start this project? He says, as soon as we receive the LOA, we will start the project. So the LOA was in Cyril's hand while we were talking. So I took the LOA and handed over to him and I start the work now, tonight. So that's the kind of speed with which we want to work. But I'm very happy that Tourism Department has also done its part. And we expect, Prashantji, that the work for this construction will start tomorrow itself. We should not lose even a single day. Apart from that, I also would like to share with you that this particular step that we have taken is not just for the overall growth of the tourism sector in our state, but it is a very, very positive financial gain for the MTDC. While we are moving forward with this in the agreement, the upfront amount that will be paid to MTDC is an amount of 5 crores, which will be paid upfront by the Lemon Tree Hotels Limited to MTDC. Apart from that, they will be also paying an amount of 2 crores 5 lakhs every year to MTDC as a revenue or as an amount, a bid amount as an annual lease rental of 2 crores 5 lakhs will be paid to MTDC. And on top of that, a revenue share of 1% of gross revenue for each accounting year, which means that this particular project, without MTDC and government having to invest, 124 crore investment is taking place, and MTDC will be getting 5 crores of down payment and 2 crore 5 lakh every year as rental revenue and 1% of the gross revenue of the hotel. And hence it is a financial stability and financial model which will make MTDC also financially sound. So it's in a nutshell, this is a win-win situation and a win-win model for all of us. And we are hopeful that as we move forward, we will be able to do many more such projects, not just in the tourism sector, but in other sectors and other industrial zones and other industrial areas as well.